Luna the llama was eating her favorite lunch, leafy greens, when, hiccup. Oh no, she gasped. Not again. She tried holding her breath. Hiccup. She tried drinking water upside down. Hiccup. She even jumped like a kangaroo. Hiccup. Then her friend Max the monkey said, "Try laughing." Luna giggled, then chuckled, then laughed out loud, and guess what? No more hiccups. Laughter really is the best cure, said Luna, and they both rolled on the grass laughing. Moral: sometimes laughter is the best medicine.